Morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Going to do a quick update video for you on Blackberry Ouachita, so let me turn the camera around. So last time I saw you was May for this particular plant, and this is Blackberry Ouachita now. You can see how much fresh growth has gone on, absolutely gone crazy. So yeah, once it's finished fruiting, then I need to get the netting off and start tying in. But you can see from this that laying the branches, doing the tying, definitely pays dividends. You know, it's absolutely loaded, and just having those, well, you can see having those side branches there, or lateral branches, every single spur off that is laden with fruit. So that's why I spend some time doing the training properly, basically. So yeah, that's my update for the end of July, and basically start time for pruning, not pruning, picking. Job done. And there you have it. That's well, filming how to grow Blackberry Ouachita from start to finish. You know, look at them fruits behind me, makes it all worthwhile. Yeah, so start to finish, how to grow and train Blackberry Ouachita. Any questions, just send them over to me and I'll do my best to answer them for you. In the meantime, keep subscribing. Great to see new subscribers coming on all the time. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos that I'm doing. And above all else, just have fun in the garden, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.